especially to our incoming first year students. Um, hop in gyud mo from one opportunity to another kay daghan gyud mo makita, daghan gyud mo makuha from the government because the government is here to assist you. The government is here to help you, especially in your education. Um, Avail gyud mo, especially for our Bagong Pilipinas Merit Scholarship Program. The application is already ongoing and the deadline for the submission is on June 30, 2026. For our other scholarship programs, may ano lang siguro, statement lang is antabayanan yun na ninyo sa amuang official FB page because our CHED Merit Scholarship Program is hapit na ang call for the application and also mo follow na yun na ang uban nga scholarship programs. So wala yoy reason nga dili mo magtuon, dili mo makahuman. It's because the government is here to help you and you will become so that you will become a productive citizen in the future.